Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbuds don't respond or respond slowly to touch controls. And firstly, we need to perform a soft reset. Put your earbuds to the charging case, and now your earbuds will disconnect it from your phone. Then you remove it and check, does it fix your problem? If it doesn't, firstly, make sure that you tap at the touch controls. Touch controls located at the back side of the earbuds. Right here we have SOUNDCORE logo, and you need to tap on it or double tap or press and hold. It's depends what you wanna do. If it also didn't help you, we need to check if you set your gesture feature. So open SOUNDCORE application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see it at the device list. Tap on it, and then go to the controls. Right here, as you can see, by default, these earbuds do not haven't the single press. It's set to none, so we need to select something else. Let's say volume down and volume up, and then check, maybe it fixes your problem. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.